guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 of my go-to outfits that I plan on wearing this summer. So the first outfit that I have here. So basically I decided to take a few pieces existing already in my wardrobe and show you guys some of my go-to outfits that I think I'm going to be wearing in warm weather. A lot of these are kind of good spring summer transitional outfits because some of them do have like a long sleeve option. I live in Toronto, Canada, so honestly the weather is so unpredictable here that you never know when you are going to need an extra layer, which is why I decided to do this. Obviously for a super hot climate, you could definitely take off the jackets and all that. So I want to show you guys a few of the looks that I think are going to be so great for the warm weather. First one being the classic outfit, which is my cutoff shorts and sweater option. Of course you could wear this with a t-shirt. I have a t-shirt under this as I'm wearing it and showing you guys, and a tie-dye t-shirt would definitely give off that same look. But I love the slouchiness of an oversized sweater with a cutoff short. I think it's so LA. I am so proud to say that the top and the bottom are both secondhand. They're both from thrift stores, which is super, super cool. And I think tie-dye is definitely having a moment right now. I've been talking about it since the winter time. I'm super into it and I just love this. By the way, this sweater used to be Haley's from Haley's Corner, so hey Haley if you're watching. The next look that I have is definitely a go-to. Also incorporates the same cutoff shorts and it is just with a white linen shirt. I think linen as a material is so good for the summer because it's breathable, and the white linen shirt, if you guys have watched in my haul, it's going to be so versatile for so many different looks. I think it makes a great cover up for a bikini. It looks great into jeans, and as well as it looks great on top of like sundresses and stuff like that tied up. So I definitely think it's a piece that you will want to invest in this summer, and I picked mine up at Uniqlo for a very affordable cost. And then to dress it up, I decided to put on a slingback shoe with it. I love these. They're from Zara and they look definitely a lot more high-end than actually the price I paid for them, which is awesome. And I just think this is like an easy, effortless look if you're going and getting drinks with your girlfriends, or if you're just kind of walking about town and you feel a little bit fancy. The next outfit that I have here is with my trusty sundress. You guys know I love mini floral dresses. It's just like one of those go-tos that you get so excited to wear when it is warmer out. So I have it here with an oversized blazer. I've noticed a lot on Instagram as well as Pinterest that oversized blazers are definitely having their moment. I think they look so good with a shorter hemline because it kind of almost looks like you're wearing a blazer as a dress, except not. Of course you could take this off with it, but because the blazer is linen, it's very, very breathable and very appropriate for summertime. I also put on my favorite boots at the moment, and I just think that this is definitely like a very cool girl, LA girl kind of vibe. I'm really, really digging it right now. And then I found this purse at the thrift store not that long ago, and I think it matches perfectly. With that being said, I also want to incorporate a skirt into this look, and this is such a go-to outfit for me. It is a crop top plus a mini skirt and a chunky sneaker. You guys know that this is just such a great look for so many reasons. I think it's flattering, it's going to keep you cool, and then also it just makes you have more fun with fashion. I think that like a printed skirt is so fun. Normally we do the print on the top and then the basic on the bottom, but I decided to switch it around this time. Also, a white crop top is such an essential for the summertime in your closet, and I also wore them with this very affordable pair of chunky sneakers, and I think that this just looks great overall. And then this is the last kind of like formula I've been wearing this summer, and this is the last kind of formula that I've been wearing in spring, and I know I'm going to be wearing it well into the summer, and it is a cute girly top mixed with a more like cargo-y, like slouchy bottom. So I've done this with so many different kind of variations of items, but today I decided to wear it with this little yellow kind of very feminine top, and then my Dickies, these white Dickies that I thrifted in LA. I think that this looks so dope, guys, and I love that juxtaposition of wearing something super feminine on top along with very, very slouchy bottoms. I think it's super flattering, I think it's comfortable, and you're just gonna look effortlessly cool in this again. I think that pairing it with a pair of trusty white sneakers just keeps it really simple, and you are so good to go. That is the end of my video. Let me know what your go-to look for summer is, and if you guys want to see more of like my styling and stuff, you should definitely head on over to my Instagram because I post every day on there. And with that being said, I'm gonna go, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.